to bend down. Hi, so today we're going to make a cake for the chemistry video because it said, we need to use chemical reactions in daily life, and I thought, I'm like some person who decided to light soda cans on fire, why don't I try to bake stuff? So here is my video on how for the topic of chemical reactions and how they are used in daily life. Here am I with baking soda, and today we're going to make a cake. It was supposed to be a mug cake, but I'm scared to put my glass in a microwave because later it will explode, and that's an entire different video on chemical reactions. So we're just gonna do it in a bowl. So what you'll need is, technically it's supposed to be all-purpose flour, but I got 3 good. We got chocolate chips and baking soda, and we also have milk. Oh, right, so the first thing you need to do is 1/4 of cup chocolate chips. Alright. So anyways, this is how baking soda works. Apparently, it should, upon heating, it will release carbon dioxide gas, and those carbon dioxide gas, when you put them in the oven again, they should be able to expand because it's gas and carbon dioxide, and from then on it makes the cake rise, just really nice. Another thing I found out is apparently if you put in cocoa powder, there will be like some sort of neutralization reaction happening. So the cocoa powder and the baking soda will react to form more gas, and those gas again helps make the cake rise. So what you want to do after this is to mix your milk with your chocolate chips and then microwave them at 30 seconds intervals. Continue to do so and repeat until you get the correct texture. So anyways, this is how it should look like after a couple of minutes in the oven. And here's the mixture after you heat the mixture for a couple more times. In the microwave, I observed the milk bubbling. This is because as it reaches the boiling point, the milk molecules close to the surface gain enough kinetic energy to leave the liquid, because the vapor pressure of the liquid is equaling to the surrounding environmental pressure. Now we're going to add in our dry ingredients and continue to heat up the mixture to make cake. After mixing in your baking soda and your whole-purpose flour, put them in the microwave and do the same 30-second intervals until you get actual cake. And you can kind of see there's some pores in it, and that's what happened when your baking soda made gas, CO2, carbon dioxide gas, which expanded and thus made the cake rise. So let's see if I see it, and I think this is more or less a success. Wow. Anyways, and so that's the end of the video. Thank you for this opportunity and for giving me a reason to bake another not a mug cake but a bowl cake.